Sorry for the things I said to you last night. I drank a lot and I thought a lot, and it hurts me too when I think of you. I think of 20 years we spent inside this house without a door. Now we got kids and we got cash and we got bones and we got ash, but we're not home. Let's steal some